Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today I will show you how to make a loading bar animation on Canva. So guys, the first step you need to do, open Canva and search for box line. Click this box line and increase the size as you can see here. After that choose the shapes here, right, this shape as you can see here, and make this one resize with the length of box line here as you can see here, and make here and right here. After that, color these shapes and right and increase the size as you can see here, and right here guys, and click this animation from here. After that, select this anime and little bit here as you can see here. Make a loading bar and click this duration as you can see here guys. And what you have to do now, just guys, is right here, choose this one element and choose the shape here and choose this color, and right here again as you can see here guys. This is easy step you can do. I hope this video helpful for you. Then don't forget to subscribe and like and share this video for more content, and see you on another video soon.